Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to modify our WooCommerce product link for X platform in WooCommerce WordPress using Yoast SEO plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our product page. So we are going to change or edit product share link for Twitter. So first you will install this plugin Yoast SEO. So I already installed this. Now go to edit product. Now scroll down, you see product name and then you see Yoast SEO section and then you see social tab, so click on it and then you see adding social media appearance and then we added already image, social title, social description, but we are going to modify WooCommerce product social link for X. Now you see X appearance. If you are not using this, then this layout show on X. Now click on it and then you see X image, so you can add your WooCommerce product image for X platform, social media platform, and then you see X title and then you see X description, so you can use AI or you can insert variable, so it's up to you. So we added some description and title for X platform, so you can add image and then click on update. So after a few time your product social link for X platform will be updated by these values. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.